ready to transform your mic from muffled to magnificent. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to crystal clear audio on your PC. First, let's address the hardware. Positioning is key. Place your microphone like this USB example about a fist's width away from your mouth. Use a pop filter, which helps to block those harsh P&B sounds, and angle it away from direct breathing. Now, let's jump into your PC settings. Navigate to your sound settings, usually found by right-clicking the speaker icon in your system tray within the input section. Make sure your correct microphone is selected as the default device. Next, go into your microphone's device properties and find adjustment sliders. Explore the levels tab here. Generally, start with the microphone level at around 7580% to avoid clipping. You may also see a microphone boost option. Use it sparingly. A little boost can help with low volume mix, but too much introduces noise. Test your mic quality after each small adjustment. Let's talk software. Many programs offer noise reduction tools within your recording software or voice chat application. Hunt for settings like noise gate or noise suppression. These features work to filter out background distractions like fan noise. Carefully increase the threshold until only unwanted sounds fade away, without affecting your voice too much. Now, let's hear the difference. Notice how the raw audio has background noise. With some adjustments, the background noise is vastly improved. Improving your microphone quality can dramatically enhance any listening experience. Keep experimenting and tweaking these settings to find what works best for your setup, and your voice will thank you. Happy recording.